Magandang araw sa inyo mga ka-BFAM, ngayong araw ay may bago tayong good news at tungkol ito sa ating matatanggap na SRI 2023, ipapakita ko sa inyo kung magkano ang inyong matayanggap. Para malaman ang buong detalye, please watch this. This is our tax table for SRI 2023, malapit na tong matanggap at yung ibang division ay nakatanggap na. Tax Table for 3. Salary Grade 11 is 0 tax. Salary Grade 12 is 600 pesos tax. Salary Grade 13 is 1,700 pesos tax. Salary Grade 14-15 is 3,000 pesos tax. Salary Grade 16-21 is 3,750 pesos tax. Salary Grade 22-25 is 4,500 pesos tax. And the requirement upon releasing of 3 is 2 copies of DepEd ID. Happy Holidays po sa ating lahat. Yun lamang ang ating update ngayong araw. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel BFAM and Facebook page BFAM. Salamat.